Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Purple color, brown color, blue color, red color, light green color, orange color, yellow color and pink color. Now let's learn the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First, A. This is A. Now put the color, red color. What is kids? This is A. Red color. Next, B. This is B. Now put the color, yellow color. What is kids? This is B. Next, C. This is C. Now put the color. This is sky blue color. Next kids, D. What is kids? This is D. Now put the color, pink color. D. Next kids, E. This is E. Now put the color. Orange color. Next, F. What is kids? This is F. Now put the color. This is light green color. Next kids, G. What is kids? This is G. Now put the color. This is blue color. G.
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U
Next, H. What is kids? This is H. Now put the color. This is brown color. What we learn? We learn A for aeroplane. Next, B for butterfly. Next, C for car. Next kids, D for dolphin. Next, E for elephant. Next kids, F for fish. Next kids, G for giraffe. Next, H for house. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.